Hello Libra, welcome to my channel. This is your reading for the month of July. How do they view you? We will see your person's energy towards you. How do they view you and what can you expect? So, how do they view you, Spirit? For Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and North Node. How do Libra's persons view Libra, Spirit? How do Libra's person view Libra? For the month of July, how do they? I feel someone has walked away from the situation, Libra. It could be you, it could be your person, but your person feels like things have ended between you guys. It's a breakup, but yet this person feels unfinished business with you. This could be a third party situation. There could be emotional manipulation, betrayals and lies. Someone needs to clear their mind and accept that the connection was real, the connection was mutual, and I feel you guys were soulmates. Yes, a painful ending at the bottom. So yes, I feel like your person feels like you guys are in separation. If you are together with your person Libra right now, I don't feel this reading is for you, or just come back later, because for now I feel like there could be emotional manipulation in this relationship, like someone has tricked the other person. There could be betrayals and lies. Someone could be indecisive, or someone just took a decision and walked away. But I feel either this person or you, someone fantasizes about this connection, like still fantasizes about the other person. That's what I'm getting here. So let's clarify. I feel communication could be blocked, Libra, but this person feels like you guys were together. You could be married to this person, but this person see you as someone like you are their person. You could be married to this person, like you could be their wife, you could be their husband, but like this person see you as someone like you are this person's family. I also feel like this person view you as someone like you put a lot of effort in this relationship, but this person has put you in a third party situation, and the situation was getting very toxic, or someone was really obsessed and the situation was definitely very toxic. This person feels like this person manipulated you emotionally. You knew that, yet wait a minute please. Yes, that this person view you as someone like this person manipulated you emotionally, yet you have been patient with this person, yet you wanted to reconcile with this person, but now you are moving on. Maybe this person had options, and this person, like you were just an option for this person, yet you waited for this person, yet you have been patient with them, yet you were ready to accept this person in your life, but now you are moving on. That's how they view you. And this could be a long distance relationship between you guys, and this person just feels distance between you guys, physical or emotional. And this person also feels like now you are very clear that you want your freedom. You are not emotionally dependent on this person. You are, yes, this person feels like, for some of you Libra, this person could be view you as someone like you are married, you are someone's wife, and you also have a child. For others of you I'm getting, but you are like, you are now very clear that you just want your independence, and you are doing financially very good. You are very stable in your life wherever you are, and you, yes, you love this person, but you are not emotionally dependent on them anymore. So just apply to the situation. If you are not married, then your person definitely feels like you still have love for them, but you are not, like, there is no codependency issue now from your side. This person fantasize about you, Libra, But I feel like this person also view you as someone like you are sneaking away from their life, you are hiding your stuff from this person, and you are not letting this person know that what what's going on in your life. Yet this person has a hope that you still think about them, but this person knows you are not up for games now. You are in your power, you are not ready to accept bullshit, and yes, you are hiding something from them. That's how they view you. You are cutting this person out from your life. That's how this person view you. You deserved this justice. That's how they view you. You are someone like you like to keep things in balance, and they view you as you are, just this guy. So yes, this was your reading, Libra. I really hope it helped you. Thank you so much for watching. And yes, I had to add here that this person also feels you are very honest, Libra. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.